Poultry farming in Ghana has gained significant attention and popularity. Over the years, it can be a profitable venture if managed properly. Here are some key points to consider when in evaluating whether to start poultry farming in Ghana. There is a constant demand for poultry products, chicken and eggs in Ghana, driven by population growth and increasing urbanization. Poultry is a key source of protein for many households. Poultry farming can provide a good source of income for smallholders, farmers, and entrepreneurs. Proper management can lead to significant profits, especially in the local market. The poultry industry creates jobs not only in farming but also in related sectors such as feed production, processing, and distribution. Nutrition benefits. Poultry products are essential for nutrition, providing a rich source of protein and essential nutrients, which can contribute to food security. Support from governments and NGOs. Various government initiatives and non-governmental organizations are promoting poultry farming through training programs, access to credit and resources. Make it easier for new farmers to enter the industry. Whilst watching, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let me know your comments under this video. And there are also some challenges to consider when starting a poultry farming. Starting a poultry farming requires capital for infrastructure, purchasing chicks, feed, and equipment. The essential investment can be significant, and it's essential to have a solid financial plan. And one thing, the cost of poultry feed can be high, and fluctuation in feed prices can affect profitability. It is important to have a reliable source of quality feed. While there is demand for poultry, competition from established farms can be intense. Conducting market research to understand local demand and pricing trend is essential. Why don't you start a poultry farm now? Starting a poultry farm in Ghana can be a rewarding adventure. Given the right approach and management practice, if you are considering entering this industry, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, develop a business plan, and seek advice from experienced poultry farmers or agricultural experts. Understanding the market, managing costs efficiently, and implementing good biosecurity practice will be key to your success in poultry farming. Thank you for watching.